Let's see what is the next I'm trying to say, children. By looking at the figure and by looking at 2 proof, you might find it difficult, but it's very easy. So long as you apply all the fundamentals and the knowledge which is being imparted, the concepts and the theorem which are being given to you, right? Sum is very easy. Now in this particular sum, what I'm going to do is, from the diagram itself and from 2 proof, I'm going to derive to the entire solution. We are going to write down the entire solution from the diagram and 2 proof, right? Let's prove it. So what's the question trying to say? In triangle ABC, ACB is 90. Fair enough, ACB is 90. CD perpendicular to AB. Fine, CD is perpendicular to AB. DE perpendicular to BC. Okay, what I intend to prove is CD square into AC is AD into AB into DE. So as I stated earlier, it looks difficult though when we look at 2 proof, but it's very, very easy. Let's start. If I forget this one, if I forget this DE, forget about DE. There is nothing such as DE. Just think that I'm having only triangle ACB, which is 90, and CD perpendicular to AB. So if I have a right angle triangle, and from that right angle, if a perpendicular is drawn onto the hypotenuse, whom should we remember? We should remember about GMC. We should remember about GMC, geometric mean corollary. That's what we are going to start first thing. But sir, how did you know that we are supposed to go for GMC, geometric mean corollary, and that too in triangle ACB and not triangle CDB? I have a point also. This is a very good argument if a child has to raise. We have an answer for the same. I said that I shall be giving you the answer from the diagram and from my 2 proof. What did the first part of 2 proof said? The first part of 2 proof is saying CD square. How can I get CD square? By applying GMC in CDB or by applying GMC in ACB? By applying GMC in ACB. So in triangle ACB, measure angle. We have to write down both the necessary conditions for GMC. Measure angle ACB is equals to 90. Also, what is given to us? CD perpendicular to AB. Therefore, by geometric mean corollary, what can I say? CD square. CD square is AD into DB. I hope my children has no problem till here. Right? What we have done? We have seen a right angle triangle ACB, 90, and from there a perpendicular. Moreover, our question demanded CD square. That gave me an idea that I should go for GMC in the very first stage. That's what we have done. What next? Okay. Now, can we see 2 right angle triangles, one within the other? What I'm trying to say is, can I see one triangle ACB, a right angle triangle? Can I see one more right angle triangle DEB? So if you want, you can go for some kind of demerge figure. Not necessary actually, but if you want, you can. This is one right angle, the bigger one. This is a bigger one. This is a smaller one. This is a smaller one. This is C, A, B. This is D, E, B. This is 90. This is 90. In triangle ACB and triangle DEB, can I say each is 90? Second thing, do we have something in common which we say common angle? The 2 triangles are similar by AA test. The 2 triangles are similar by AA test. Sir, the question arises over here. What made you go in this direction? I have an answer for that also. First, let me write down. I have an answer for that also. If you have these kind of multiple questions, I have multiple answers to all the questions you have in your mind, or if it is going on your mind, I have multiple answers for the same. Now, in triangle, 1-to-1 correspondence is the key. 1-to-1 correspondence is the key. What is it? In triangle ACB and triangle DEB, angle ACB congruent to DEB, each is 90. Each is 90 degree. What next? Angle CBA, I have gone from CBA, that is 90 to common to A. Over there I am supposed to write down 1-to-1 correspondence. So EBD, common angle. common angle. Therefore, can I say triangle ACB similar to triangle DEB by AA test? Once we are done with that, here comes CSST. Sir, what made you go in that direction? Couple of multiples here. More than couple multiples are there. And how can we get couple multiples? It's only by CSST. So now, who by whom will come as CSST? Certainly I want DE, I want AC. So I'm going to take D by AC, or you can say here also D by AC. Let's check whether that is there or not. Yes, certainly there. AC by D. What else? Is equals to, what is the other side I am interested in? Am I interested in AB? AB is what I want. I want AB. So if I take AB, who is AB over here? Here it's AB. And who is the corresponding side to AB? DB. Sir, how about the third one? BC and EB. Third one, BC and AB. The first two is this and this. The third one, BC and EB. Does BC AB there, or is BC AB there? Are they playing any important role? Answer is no. So we need not write down. We did not write down. Skip out. Can I say CSST? I have said this multiple times. No shortcuts. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now, what further? Now I don't know what to do. I look at the question. Whenever you fail to understand now what to be done, always look at to prove. To prove has to answer. To prove will answer. It says AB into DE. AB into DE. That tells me AB into DE. Cross multiply. That tells me AB into DE. Cross multiply. So it is AC. Let me jot down here. Let me jot down here. On cross multiplying, AC into DB is equals to, can I get AB into DE? AB into DE. Any problem, children? Right? Sir, what next? Now though, sir, you are done with everything. Now though you don't know anything. Once again, ask question to question, and the question has to answer. So now I'm asking question to the question that is on the RHS side. What you want and what you are having as of now. The question says, I'm having AD into AB into DE. At present, we are having AB into DE only. At present, we are having AB into DE only. What is missing? AD. AD is not there. That means AD is what we want. And as of now, AD is what is not there. But AD is what we want. That's what. I'm writing with a different marker. I'm writing with a different marker so that you realize that since I want AD, right, and that too in the multiplied form, I'll just write down multiply by AD on both the sides. Multiply by AD on both the sides. Come back. What if I multiply by AD on both the sides? AC into DB into AD is AD into AB into DE. Am I right, children? Let's check whether we are in a process of doing it completion or not. Let's see. AD, AB, DE. AD, AB, DE. So have we got our RHS? Let's check what is our LHS. Our LHS is saying CD square into AC. Sir, you have AC, but you don't have CD square. You have AC. What you don't have is CD square. Kindly check what we have something extra. DB into AD. Equation 1 says what? DB into AD is nothing but CD square. DB into AD says what? CD square. So AC will be written down as this. And instead of DB into AD, can I say CD square? AC will be written down as it is AD into AB into DE. This is what is my final answer. From where did I get this? From where did I get this? You can write down the reason as from 1. CD square is equals to AD into AB into DE. I said, children, in my starting of the video that we are going to prove it from given and to prove and the diagram. It is a diagram who is going to give us the initialization. We keep on asking question, some kind of questions, and the question has to answer. And here we are.